This photo was made in ChatGPT in about a minute. Nobody took it, and I did not go looking for it. I typed 6 short lines. By the end of this video, you can write those 6 lines yourself for any picture you want. 3 things are coming. First, the 6 lines, and what each one is actually for. Second, the line almost everybody skips, which is the one that decides whether your picture looks like a real photograph or like a computer made it. And third, the other way of working. You upload a photo you already have and change only the part you want changed. I will put the before and the after next to each other so you can see exactly what moved. Way 1. From nothing. Here's an empty chat. Most people type, "Make me a photo of a dog." And you do get something. It is just always a bit generic, a bit stock, a bit not the thing you had in your head. The fix is not a longer sentence. It is 6 short lines, and each line answers a different question. Subject, setting, light, framing, style, and 1 line for what you do not want. Let me do them one at a time. Line 1, subject. What is in the picture? Not just a dog. A golden retriever standing in a hallway with 1 white running shoe in its mouth, looking straight at the camera, very proud of itself. That is the level of detail you want here. This line decides what you get. Line 2, setting, where it happens. A sunlit hallway, a neat row of shoes by the front door, with 1 gap in the row. That gap is a tiny detail, and tiny details are what make a picture feel true instead of staged. Line 3, light. This is the one people skip, and it is the one that matters most. Warm, late afternoon sun from a window on the left, long shadows. Say where the light comes from and what it does. Light is the whole difference between a photograph and a render. Line 4, framing, where the camera stands. Low angle, at the dog's eye level, close up. Plain words are fine. You are telling a friend how to hold the phone. Line 5, style. What kind of picture is this? A candid phone photo, slightly imperfect, real. Leave this line out and you get glossy advertising, because that is the safe default it falls back on. Line 6, the negative, what you do not want. Do not make it look like a studio advertisement. 1 short line and it saves you 3 tries. Now send it and give it a minute. It reads the 6 lines and it draws. And this comes back. Now read it against your own 6 lines. The dog, proud, straight down the lens. The hallway. The sun coming in from the left with long shadows across the wall, low, at his eye level. And down by the door, a row of shoes with 1 gap in it, exactly where the shoe in his mouth came from. Every line you wrote is in there. Way 2. And this is the useful one if you sell anything. You start from a photo you already have. Click the plus, upload it, and wait until the little thumbnail is actually in the box before you start typing. Now the job of your prompt flips. In an empty chat, you describe what you want. With your own photo in the box, the important half is what must not change. So the first line is not the scene. It is, keep the tube exactly as it is. Same shape, same green, same silver cap. Leave that line out and it quietly redesigns your product. And you will not notice until a customer does. Then, and only then, what changes? Change only the setting. Put it on a sunny bathroom shelf beside a folded towel and a small plant. The word only is doing real work in that sentence. The last 3 lines are the same 6-line habit as before. Light. Soft morning daylight from the left. Framing. Close-up, shallow depth of field. And do not add any text or logos. Send it and watch what it says. Analyzing image. It reads your photo first before it draws anything, and that is what comes back. A new photo of the same product. Here they are side by side. On the left, the photo we started with. On the right, the one ChatGPT made. Same tube, same shape, same silver cap, same color. What changed is everything around it. Marble became a bathroom shelf. The olive branch became a towel and a plant. And the light now comes softly from the left. 1 photo you already owned, and a second one without booking a photographer. So here's the whole thing on 1 screen. Subject, setting, light, framing, style, and 1 line of what you do not want. And when you start from your own photo, put 1 extra line above all of them. Keep this exactly as it is. Try it tonight with the last photo on your phone. Change only the setting and keep everything else. If you want the next one where I build a whole product page this way, subscribe and I will see you there.